Hello guys, welcome everyone. So now I'm going to demonstrate my full stack application development project based on online food delivery management system. So now as you can see, here is the backend of the project. Here is the we have used Eclipse and we have used the Spring Boot for the backend technology. As you can see, here is the Spring Boot, and you can see the main components like controller, DTO, model, repository, security, and service. Mainly we have four models in our project, mainly admin, customer, delivery agent, and restaurant manager. These are the four modules in our SDP project. So now first let's run the project to see whether it's successfully running or not. So as you can see here, the project is running successfully. So our backend is working completely fine. Now let's go towards the front end part where we used VS Code for as a platform for front end, where we used the React technology for it. As you can see here, we have folders based on various models, like for admin module, and here is the customer module and delivery agent module, restaurant module, and every module has their own JSX folders, like add, and basically each folder consists of the responsibilities of that module. For example, a admin who needs to add managers or view customers or view managers, like this type of responsibilities belongs to admin or in admin module. Like this, the remaining responsibilities are assigned to their respective modules. So now let's run the front end part. So as you can see, the front end part is also working completely fine without any errors. So here is our online food delivery management system welcome page, which is Craving. So here you can see on top right side corner, you can see login and sign in options. Here sign in options we have given only for the customer and agent, because manager will directly be added by the admin of the website. And you can see here is the login page where for each individual module, like for customer module, for delivery agent module, manager module, admin module, we have given the respective login pages. For this, here we have used auth context. Here you can see the context API. Here we have stored all the respective modules authentication details, where if whenever the login is happening, then that corresponding value will become true. And here in app.jsx, only that value will be revoking and the remaining will not be executed. For example, if you see here, if in customer login, if there is a login takes place here, you can see here that is customer login true. So here the customer login will be become true, so that when it comes to app.jsx, it will go to is customer login. So as this one only part is true and the remaining is of false, so automatically we will be navigated to the customer now. So by using this type of auth context, we have developed this type of login pages for different modules in our project. So first let's go towards the admin. So for admin, we have not given any registration sign here, because for any website, admin registration should not be visible to the normal users who are using the website. So if you want to see if you want to give admin details, you have to directly go to the backend MySQL, and there only you can give the admin details. Here we have already given a set of details for a set of registration details for admin. So let's log in into admin here. So as you can see, we have successfully logged into the admin navbar. So you can see here we have added a collapsive navbar, so that it can be easily convenient for the user. So he can easily shift from one page to another page, and also can easily experience the full size view of the website. As you can see, as soon as you enter the website homepage of the admin, you can see here the customer manager items. These represent the number of customers and the number of managers and the number of items. The items means the food items added by the managers of the corresponding restaurants. So here everything can be viewed by the admin in the nav. And now as you can see, you can go to the add event manager. In add event manager, the admin can add the managers to the website. If you initially see here, we have only three. Now let's add an event manager for demo purpose. As you can see, I'm randomly giving some type of details. As you can see here, the event manager has been added successfully. Now if you see event manager account, it has become for more clarification, you can see here total 4 event manager. Like this, the admin will add the managers to our website, and you, as the admin can see all the managers also. And here you can see view customers, where admin can view all the customers here. For example, if admin decides to remove any customer from the website, it is also possible for admin. So you can see. Now let's go to you can delete all the customers if you want it here. Now let's go log out. Now as we have seen the admin module, now let's go to the manager module. Yeah, a bit smaller there. So now you can see after giving the card credentials, so previously you have even got to see that if you give wrong credentials, it will deny the login. So as you can see now we have entered the home page of the manager, and you can see here manager profile. You can see the profile of the manager here. Now here is the main thing about the role of the manager. The manager, what he will do, he will add the items in his menu. For example, you can see view items here. What are the menus previously I have added? For example, chicken biryani, lemon juice, noodles. These type of items will be added here. For example, now let's add another item to showcase it. For example, category, let's say dinner. Sorry, I mean tiffin, dosa, masala roast, and cost is 50 rupees. So you can see that event has been added successfully, and if you go to view items, you can see that dosa has been added here. And now let's go to view orders. Here, when I went to customer, I will say what is the use of this home page. Now let's log out from here. Now the main part comes here for the customer. Now first let's go to the customer, which we have already logged in. For example, if you want to see that also, let's go to MySQL and I will show you the database there. So these are the tables that are available in our project. So you can see the details here, Nikhil and Dinesh, and this type of data has been there. So this is the data from the database. Now for example, for demo, let me show the customer signing. For example, I will take some random name, workshop, mail. So you can see here the customer has been registered successfully. Now let's see whether Versha will work here. So as you can see, it is working completely fine. But still, let's go with one of the previous customer which I have implemented. Nikhil. Oh, sorry. Look. I think it's M here. Yeah, that's completely working fine. Now, when you come to the home page of the customer, you can see here is the interface we are given here, a sliding column here, and you can see the food items that have been available, and you can see the popular dishes here, and down it's about the details of our website. So now if you see here, if you go to the customer profile is there here, right? From customer profile, it will take the address and it will take that as the address for the delivery point. Directly from the database, it will automatically render the address. And here the user can update his profile like changing password or anything. He can update his profile here. For example, for your showcase, I will change the address from Kokol to Guntu update. So here you can see the customer profile has been updated. And if you go to home page, here you can see the address Ongol Guntur. And here now when we go to home page and if you click here order, you will be redirected to the items that are menu items that are available here. Here is the search bar. You can search, for example, I want to eat chicken biryani. Here is the chicken biryani on noodles. Here you can see noodles. Like this you can search here. For example, let's order dosa which we have added earlier. Here it will ask the quantity, for example 2, confirm order. Your order has been booked successfully. So you can see here is the order, it has been added here, the dosa here down. These are the previous orders made by this customer, so that the previous orders will also be stored here. Now if you see here, the status is booked. It is neither accepted nor rejected. Now let's go to manager. Here if you go to manager, previously I think I typed Shiva. So now if I go to view orders, now you can see that dosa has been ordered by the customer Nikhil 2. Now here the accept and reject will be decided by the manager. Whether he should accept the order, whether he should reject the, for example here reject. The order will be rejected. For example, let's accept. The order will be accepted. So like this. Now see here it is accepted, right? Now let's again go to the customer. See, here the status has been updated to accepted. Like this, the order process will be takes place between the manager and the customer. And now here is the verification mail. Verification mail is used to verify the user mail here. So now if you go to the delivery agent, yeah, you have come here. So whenever you directly come into the agent, like the delivery agent, you can see here the delivery agent can see here the what are the orders that he need to, like he will only accept the orders which has the status accept here, so that the rejected items will not be delivered by the delivery agent. So here as soon as he come, he can see the delivery agent boy can see the what are the orders he need to deliver here. So here is the agent profile we have given here, and that's it. So as you can